Right now in KENS 5, though, we want to begin with this, preparing for some pretty strong storms tonight. A live look right now at San Antonio. You could see those storms want to come in. Meteorologist Bob Morales has been keeping an eye on the weather. When and how much are we looking?
Yeah, Sarah, it looks like it wants to rain, right?
Yes, it does.
Yeah. The timing, I think here in Bexar County, mainly is going to be late tonight and overnight and into tomorrow morning. Out west may start as early as 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. All right, you can see the sky starting to part in some places. We're starting to see a little bit of some sunshine, but I think for the most part, cloudy skies. Okay, we've got the ingredients together for strong to severe thunderstorms. We've got the instability. We've got the buoyancy. There's a couple of things we're waiting on is for the upper level low to get closer to us, and that's going to make the atmosphere very unstable. Also, we're waiting for a little bit more speed shear, so we're going to have turning with height and also speed shear, so tornadoes may be a threat. Let's take a look. First of all, out west where the orange shade is, that's an enhanced risk for severe storms. Not very often we see an enhanced risk across south central Texas. In the yellow, you've got a slight risk. In the green, that is more of a very slight risk for severe thunderstorms. Now, in the orange shade here, basically from north of Bernie to Eagle Pass, not only could we see tornadoes, but we could also see some strong type tornadoes. In the green zone, that's primarily overnight, maybe more isolated tornadoes are possible. Large hail is also going to be a big threat as well. Now, you see these thunderstorms developing about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and they will progress eastward. If they stay isolated, and I think they will, they're going to take advantage of the atmosphere, and so some of the hailstones out west could be as large as 2 to 3 inches, maybe even bigger than that in diameter, with very strong winds and again that tornado threat. Of course, we'll take a closer look at the overnight forecast coming up in just a little bit.